Good morning, my dear students. This is for Class 1, Subject English Speaking, Chapter number 1, Lecture number 1 by Shivani Singh. This is your first class, my dear students. So, our today's topic is use of is am are. इस एम आर का क्या यूज़ है, कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं और किसके साथ यूज़ करते हैं. वेयर डू वी यूज़ इज एम आर. डू वी यूज़ इज एम आर इन पास्ट टेंस, in future tense or in present tense? These answers we will get from this video. So please watch this video carefully and learn many new things that you had not learned in your previous class. Now you are in class 1. So now you are grown up kids. अब आप बड़े हो गए हो तो आपको ये चीज़ें लर्न करनी है. टॉपिक इज यूज ऑफ इज एम आर. इज एम आर का यूज. बिफोर गोइंग फर्दर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ इज एम आर. इज मीन्स यह, एम मीन्स हूँ, आर मीन्स हैं. इज एम आर मीन्स इज मीन्स है, एम मीन्स हूँ, आर मीन्स हैं. इज वी यूज विद सिंगुलर. एम always go with I, not always, sometimes. R goes with plural noun. Okay, my dear students, in the next slide we will learn more things about is am are. is am are के बारे में अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. आप देखते रहो और सुनते रहो और अपनी एंड हाँ, कीप योर रफ नोटबुक विद यू. आपको अपने आप भी उसको टेबल बना के अपने आप भी लर्न करना है. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इज एम आर. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इन हिंदी इज एम आर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, I will tell you what is the Hindi meaning of is am are. Please listen it very carefully. Is means है, am means whom, are means हैं. Is है means this we use for singular. Am, whom and are हैं we use for plural. Second question arises, where do we use is am are? It means in which tense do we use is am are? Do we use in present tense or past tense or future tense? There are three persons also and we use is am are accordingly. Now, in which tense do we use is am are? My dear students, we use is am are in present tense. Always in present tense. Okay? Don't use is am are in past tense or in future tense. This I will through in my next class I will tell you how can we use is am are in present tense. First of all, what is present tense? Present tense in Hindi, वर्तमान काल. The state which currently exists or the time which is going right now is called present time. वर्तमान काल, the time which is going right now. जो समय अभी चल रहा है, जिस समय में आप काम कर रहे हो, डेली हम जो काम करते हैं, and that is present time. I hope you understood this. Where do we use is? Is means in Hindi है. singular. We use is with third person singular number. Third person singular number. For example, he, she, it, and with singular noun also. He we use for male, she we use for female, and it we use for newborn baby and for animal also. And with any singular noun. Singular noun is the name of person, place, animal, things. So it must be singular only, beta. Means it must be one. If it exceeds one, that means it will be included in plural noun. Few examples are: he is a good boy, she is very pretty, it is a white cow, Priya is my classmate, he, she, it. They are third person singular number. There are three persons I told you. First person, second person, and third person. First person singular number is I. And first person plural number is we. Second person is you. You can be both singular as well as plural, but we always take it as plural only. Third person is singular number he, she, it, and third person plural number is they. So here we are talking about third person singular number, that is he, she, it, and I gave you some examples also. Priya is my classmate. Here Priya is singular noun, beta. See, this is the name of a girl. Here I told you only one name, Priya, not more than one name. If it exceeds one, then it will be included in plural noun. Now, where do we use am? हम am का use कहाँ करते हैं? First of all, the meaning of am, Hindi meaning of am is whom. We use am with first person singular number. हम am का use फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर के साथ करते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर इज आई. आई मीन्स मैं. बेटा पर्सन, देयर आर थ्री पर्सन ना. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर इज आई एंड फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल नंबर इज वी. बट वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हेयर अबाउट वी. हम यहाँ पे वी की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेयर आई. हम आई की बात कर रहे हैं. आई मीन्स मैं. एग्जाम्पल इज आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ वेस्ट अकेडमी स्कूल. मैं वेस्ट अकेडमी स्कूल का स्टूडेंट हूँ. स्टूडेंट मतलब विद्यार्थी हूँ. लाइक यू ऑल आर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ वेस्ट अकेडमी स्कूल. आप सब वेस्ट अकेडमी स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हो. सो व्हाट विल यू से? I am a student of West Academy School. Here you will see am goes with I. Not always, but sometimes when there is no main verb. जब यहाँ पे हम कोई main verb, कोई action verb use नहीं करते हैं तो am जाता है I के साथ में. So now where do we use am? We use am with first person singular number. am का यूज हम फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर के साथ करते हैं. एंड फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर इज आई. आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ वेस्ट अकेडमी स्कूल. आई एम योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आई एम अ टीचर. आई एम अ स्टूडेंट. आई एम योर बेस्ट. आई एम. देयर आर मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स. आई एम वेरी ब्रेव बॉय. लाइक यू ऑल आर वेरी ब्रेव बॉय एंड ब्रेव गर्ल्स, है ना. सो देयर यू विल यूज I. With I you will use am. Not always. Keep in your mind. हमेशा यूज नहीं करना है. Sometimes. Okay, my dear students. Now, where do we use are? हम are का यूज कहाँ करते हैं? First of all, the Hindi meaning of are is हैं, plural. We use are with first, second and third person plural number. First person plural number, we. Second person plural number, you. Third person plural number, they. And with plural noun also. Earlier I told you singular noun, name of any person, place, animal, thing, but it must be one only. If it is more than one, then it will be included in plural noun. This you have to make clear. Examples are, we are girls, they are thirsty, you are very tall, Mona and Priya are my best friends. We is first person plural number, hum. We means hum. They is third person plural number, they is we. Means more than one. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. You are very tall. You, we can be used as singular as well as plural, but here we are including it as plural. You are very tall. Mona and Priya. It exceeds 1, that means there are 2 names. 2 names means these are plural noun. I hope you understood this concept very well of is MR. Now it's your homework time. You have to write 5 sentences using each. Is MR means there must be 5 sentences of is, 5 sentences of am and 5 sentences of are. I hope you will do your homework and please go through this video again, and tomorrow I will come again with a new topic. Till then, take care and do your homework. Thank you.